Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, currently I'm in Givi. This going to be a short video lah. I'm at Givi Point. Me and my wife looking for raincoat because my old Givi raincoat already torn and the havoc disappoint me. Currently we're at Givi Point, Johor Bahru. It's located somewhere near, if I'm not wrong, Tampoi. Later I double check. I will bring you guys inside later. Givi box. I think this is the place where they install all the rack and the box at Givi Point, Johor Bahru. Oh, this one promotion very nice. New box. Givi Maxia 58 liter. Side box. Aim, this for you, Aim. You're looking for side box. I always love this V47, but don't know lah. This is what series? Don't know lah. Very nice also. I'm buying the helmet. You guys will see later. Senyum sikit bang. Masuk YouTube lah. Yang marah boleh tu orang nak cari baju hujan kan. Saya beli ni bang, cantik ni. Ada poket ni. Dulu pakai ni bagus juga. Yuk Hey baby, what do you think? How does it look?
It looks good.
But a bit short. But I think it's by design. This is 4XL, you know? Very small. But it's okay, I think. Nice fit. Too big also later, like flap. Yeah. So, biker lah. B. Tizo travel. Pasal motor dengan saya pernah ride macam dari Singapore ke Thailand. Pergi masuk Thailand. Lain lah Malaysia tadi semua. Sebab tu penting. Bagi kan. Sedap, best. Sedap pula. Baik kakak ni. Nanti saya lupa buat intro. Nanti saya buat intro dia. Nanti saya cakap saya dekat Givi Point. Okay guys, I want to buy this helmet. Givi helmet. It's a new open face.
You please turn around.
Actually I want this color, but no size. This color nice. Suit my bike, suit my jacket. And this one also only left the display set. Can get 10% discount, she said. You should try it. Come, I'll take your video, you try this one. M. You try. I just want you to try. You tell me it's nice or not. Comfort, right? Do you think it's too big for you, the M size?
This one M
Because I feel like Givi helmet run big a bit.
No.
It's okay M size for you.
The M size is small.
And that one is the old model, but this one is the latest one. Dia very comfortable lah guys. Sis, tanya untuk kawan saya kalau sidebox Givi yang adventure tu harga berapa?
Sidebox yang adventure bahasa apa? Yang mana?
Yang macam yang Africa Twin. Dia tengah cari ni. Tapi kalau Givi main nak kena dengan rack dia sekali.
Betul. Kalau Africa Twin, Honda.
Ni kawan rapat saya, jiran saya ni.
1000cc
1000cc. Model 2017.
Boleh pakai airbag tracker. Okay, dia boleh pakai jenis macam ni.
Jenis macam ni memang dia
Airbag
suka
tracker.
jenis macam ni.
Semi aluminium boleh pakai. Yang ni tracker.
Oh.
Banyak jenis sebenarnya. Kena tahu.
Tapi kalau kena pasang dengan rack dia sekali lah
Betul. Kena pasang dengan
Harga boleh check.
Boleh?
Dia mesti nak tahu.
Saya bagi quotation by hand.
Boleh. Kak. Sis Kak pula. Sis, saya tengah rekod video ni.
Okey.
Address dia kat mana ni
Okey, address dia boleh cari nombor 39 Jalan Tampoi Susu 1. Berdekatan dengan FNN Kilang, ataupun senang nak cari Waze dia Givi Johor Bahru. Kalau tak jumpa boleh cari area dia pinggan.
Saya pakai Google tadi.
Givi Johor Bahru jumpalah.
Dah sampai juga. Terima kasih. Dah banyak belanja ni. Ni dah bayar? Belum. Hammer tak bayar sekali Ini sekali dah start awal.
So untuk spare part Givi, kalau abang nak cari visor dia, ada stok, ada 4 colour. Okay, transparent, smoke, rainbow dengan chrome. And then dia punya spare part dalam ni, sponge dia, unit padding ataupun shape pad, boleh dapatkan dekat kita lah.
Okey.
Yang abang punya.
Tapi kalau saya biasa ni clear dia cukup lah.
Okay. Sebab dia dah ada visor.
Pakai gelap nanti siang malam gelap pula nanti.
Hujan pun akan kacau.
Itu kadang orang tak rider tak fikir kan. Nanti malam gelap ni jalan. Givi helmet This is my first Givi helmet. Sebelum ni, before this, like Givi box, Givi raincoat. Helmet first time.
So are you satisfied with your
Yeah,
purchase?
satisfied. And the colour also nice, green. Something like Nado grey like that. Okay sis, penutup video. Nama siapa? Terima kasih atas layanan yang baik.
Terima kasih. Saya Nana. Terima kasih abang.
Nana,
Nana.
Siti Nordena. Baru tengok ke Kaparanza sekali.
Okay, thank you bang.
Okay, terima kasih. Bye.